You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, the name of the party chair of the Democratic Party in the United States. For more names from American politics, make sure to stay tuned to the channel. We got more for you coming up. English pronunciation, Jamie. I know his name looks like it should be said Jaime, right? It's the same spelling as the Spanish name Jaime, but in his case it's pronounced Jaime. Jaime Harrison. Jaime Harrison. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.